Now you can also simply go ahead and turn on health and click on allow and click on next again. You can also choose your height right over here. You can also put your weight and click on next. Simply go ahead and answer all these questions, by the way. Once you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and personalize your cycle right over here. All right, finally, once everything is done, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap and hold, just like that. There you go. And it's going to say welcome to Flow. And this is where you can simply go ahead and create your account now. So let me just cancel everything. There you go. Now tap on your top left profile icon right over here. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on create free account, and then simply go ahead and head into your account details. Click on user ID. You can copy this if you want to, but in order to go ahead and create an account, you will go ahead and need a premium account. So you can simply go ahead and choose any that you want, and then you can simply go ahead and enter your email, password, and create an account. You could also simply go ahead and click on register right over here on continue, and you can simply go ahead and continue with Google, Apple, or email right over here for absolutely free. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next.